Hi, I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, and today we're going to cover the basics of aperture in 101 seconds or less. Start the clock. In photography, aperture is defined as an opening in the lens that light passes through. A small aperture would be used in bright situations. A large aperture would be used in dark situations. If you refer to the graphic, you can see that when you're shooting indoors in a low light situation, you're going to want to gather as much light as possible, so you'll need a large aperture. Whereas, if you're outside with a bright light situation, you're going to want to minimize the amount of light by using a small aperture. This is an image I captured in Corpus Christi, Texas. It's early afternoon and there's a lot of light hitting the girl and the building behind her. I was able to control all of this light by using a small aperture. I shot this on the bayfront of Corpus Christi, Texas. This is a nighttime image, so of course I had to gather as much light as possible. I was able to achieve that by using a large aperture. And that's a wrap. If you dig it, like it. If you want more, subscribe and hit that bell. I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, reminding you to shoot what you love.